Hello. This long-range forecast takes us into the start of June, and there is some dry weather on the way, but not just yet. The final few days of May will bring further heavy thundery downpours, albeit with some spells of sunshine in between. So it's not going to be a complete washout, just a rather mixed weather story underneath this area of low pressure. That low certainly with us throughout Wednesday, driving some pretty hefty showers. So most places getting off to a mainly dry start, but those showers developing as the day wears on. And as we get into the afternoon, we will see some heavy thundery ones, particularly across some northern, eastern and central parts of Scotland, and perhaps down into northeast England as well. The sort of showers that could deliver a lot of rain in a short space of time, with thunder and lightning, maybe some hail thrown in for good measure. Not as many showers further south, and actually in the best of the sunshine, feeling relatively warm at 20 or possibly 21 degrees. Now, this area of low pressure still fairly close by as we head on into Thursday, but I think the focus for the heaviest showers will shift a little bit further southwards. So as we get into Thursday afternoon, the greatest chance of showers and thunderstorms across southern and southeastern parts of England. Further north and west, not as many showers, more dry weather, some spells of sunshine, but quite a brisk north or northwesterly flow. So that will actually keep things feeling relatively cool in some places. Now into Friday, we will see quite a lot of cloud, I think, spilling across the south and the east of England. Still the chance of some showers. Also an area of cloud into northern Scotland. But in between, a fair amount of sunshine and actually more in the way of dry weather overall as we end the week. And that sets us up for the weekend, because this area of high pressure is going to start to extend its influence towards our shores. Now, there are some big areas of clouds to come around this high. The winds around high pressure flow in this clockwise direction, taking areas of cloud, pushing them across the UK. So we could see some fairly cloudy skies down towards the south and the east on Saturday, perhaps up towards the northwest of Scotland as well. But in between, when we get some sunshine, temperatures are likely to get into the high teens or low 20s Celsius. And our area of high pressure will still be with us as we get into Sunday, centred to the west of the UK. And it looks like around the top of this high, we may just see this zone of rather warm air working its way, and particularly towards northern and northwestern parts of the UK. So that could well be where we see some of the highest of the temperatures on Sunday. Some areas of cloud, but some spells of sunshine, but a chance that across, say, some central and eastern parts of Scotland, we could get to 22 or 23 degrees. But even further south, high teens, low 20s Celsius, feeling pleasant where you get some sunshine. So how long will that drier weather last? Well, as we head through next week, it looks like the jet stream, which will have been running to the north of us, allowing that high pressure to sit in place, looks like the jet will then dig southwards again, and that may bring an area of low pressure southwards as well, bringing the increasing chance of showers. And this weather setup with high pressure to the west of us and low pressure to the east will bring a north or northwesterly wind, and so that is not going to feel particularly warm. No sign of any real heat wave on the cards as we head into the start of June. A decent amount of dry weather for a time, just the increasing chance of showers later next week. That's all from me. Bye-bye.